Hi, everyone. My name is Kristen Nichols, and I work at Westridge Middle School, and it is in Overland Park, Kansas, with the Shawnee Mission School District. And I am a FACS teacher. So, this is actually my last course in the program to get my master's. So, I'm pretty excited, and I can't believe my journey is already almost over with all of that. But also, technology strengths and weaknesses. Oh, I apologize. FACS teacher is Family and Consumer Science. For those of you who don't know what that means, I teach foods and nutrition. I teach an introduction course to FACS, and then I do career exploration and money management. And I absolutely love it. And I work with 7th and 8th graders. Um, Technology strengths and weaknesses. Honestly, COVID, the pandemic, everything has made me kind of realize that I do have a lot of strengths in technology that I did not realize that I had. I catch on real quick. Someone can show me something and I can do it. I can do it, usually when it comes to technology. Weaknesses would just be specifically to my content, making remote learning for a hands-on project-based content has been challenging. So honestly, I want to get more information on technology and how I can improve the learning for my students. But also just in general, like I would love to learn some new things that I can help other teachers in my building and kind of step up as a leader in that fashion. Um, Kind of like my past, my history, because it kind of has shaped who I am right now. And I'm going to talk really quickly. But basically, born and raised in Dallas, Texas, so you're going to hear that accent sometimes. And I now live here in Kansas. And I have a dog named Spring. She is my baby. She's right behind me. Um, and I spent almost 15 years studying child development. So, working with little kids and as a director, as a teacher with early childhood education. So, now making the switch has been amazing because this is actually what I originally wanted to do. So, I'm very excited to be where I am, and I'm excited to see what this course can bring and help me just explore and give more to my students. Thanks.